swear, you guys really never see me like this. Today, I'm a hot mess, but I'm gonna do a get ready with me, and I wanted to start out with this. I was sent this by Teamy. They actually, aside from like their teas and stuff, have these masks. So I wanted to go ahead and try this out with you guys, and that way we can see if it's any good. So this is their detox mask, and this is the green tea blend, and it has matcha, lemongrass, and clay. So we're gonna open this up together, and you guys can see my first impression on it. And then I'm gonna probably take a shower, and then we'll come back and fix all this. So it's like a bright green color. Let me see. It doesn't have like any harsh smell. I don't know why. Because of the color, I was like, it's probably gonna be a little stinky, but it's not at all. It doesn't have any kind of smell. Maybe like a little bit of a lemon. So just going to probably apply this and fast forward for you guys. Okay, so it does tighten really nicely against the skin. I am waiting for some of these spots to fully dry. As you can see here, those are just spots that I put a little bit too much on there. But yeah, it does feel really tightening on the skin, and I will wash this off and give you guys my thoughts next. So hopefully this will be a nice incorporation into my skincare. It does recommend to do it like 1 to 4 times a week. So it apparently is pretty soft on the skin, because if you can do it up to 4 times a week, then you're good. It's supposed to detox, so it's supposed to like take out impurities from your skin. So we'll see. We'll be right back. And I'm back. Guess who's back? Back again. If you're not from like the 90s, you probably like, what the hell? But I went ahead and washed that off, took a shower. I will be doing my hair, trying out a new hair product that I was sent, so that was gonna be a whole another video. But I put on the Glam Glow. This is the Nude Glow Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. Really love the way this smells, the way it gives like a glow to the skin. So really enjoyed that. And I have to say, my skin feels super like nice and tight from the Teamy mask. So I know that they were gonna give me a coupon code. I'll put that down below if you're interested in purchasing. You can use that code to get some money off. I don't get any compensation from that, so it's at your discretion if you wanna use it or not. And yeah, really nice mask. Felt a lot of nice tightening in the skin. And then I used a little bit of my Beauty Junkies, just like their vitamin E lip balm, which I really enjoy as well. So gonna go ahead and jump into a full get ready with me, and I think I'm going to pull out some new babies in here, some new things that I've been trying out. So first up is the MAC Studio Sculpt. I'm in the shade NC30. I actually got this from a friend. If you watch me on Instagram, which if you're not watching me on Instagram, like, come on, follow me. I do giveaways at least like once or twice a month. I've been trying to give back to you guys. So, and I do a lot of engagement there to know like, what do you guys want to watch? What do you want to see? So, and I do my makeup of the days as well. So just going to apply this foundation. Really have been liking it. It is more of a like hydrating one. So if you're not into Studio Fix because it's too matte for you, then I would definitely oh god, I would definitely recommend the Studio Sculpt, just because it's more hydrating and just gives a nice coverage. So as you can see there, so it gives more of a natural coverage. The Studio Fix is more matte and like fuller coverage. So I like the fact that this one gives nice coverage, but is more hydrating. Okay, next thing I'm gonna try is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I've been testing this out for you guys. This is in the shade Medium Sand. So a lot of you guys wanted more affordable options, and I think I might start going back to like drugstore options for you guys, because you guys seem to really want like more affordable options as far as what makeup to buy. I would definitely say there are a few hidden gems in drugstore, so I might start doing like a drugstore series this new year for you guys. So she is matte. She's super matte. It's almost like looking crusty underneath my eyes. I don't think this is what it is. A good idea. Holy crap, does that look dry and cakey and just crusty. Do you guys see that? Let me turn down my light a little bit. Let me turn down my ring light a little bit. See if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can tell. That looks so ugly. Oh God, why though? Okay, so let's just see if hopefully we can fix this a little bit, but that is super dry. That is no bueno for my under eyes. Yeah, we're gonna have to test something else out because my first impression on this is not good. So let's add a little bit of hydration on there, shall we? Let's just go ahead and put some setting spray. And hopefully that will help it out a little bit. That is definitely not a good sign for this concealer. Okay, so today we're gonna be playing with the Lunar Beauty Greek Goddess. So I got this in my mystery box. If you haven't watched my mystery box, try to put a card up here somewhere for you guys. But this actually came in my mystery box from Lunar Beauty, and the mystery box was popping. So I loved everything that came in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and play with this. I'm gonna take Fiesta, which is just this kind of matte cream shade, and just apply that to my brow bone. It doesn't have much pigmentation, to be honest with you guys. Oh, there it goes, there it goes. Okay, so it's just literally like the same color as my primer. So just applying that up there. And then I just might do something simple. And then next, I'm going to take, ooh, I don't even know what shade to play with in here. I'm gonna play with Artemis, which is this kind of warm brown. And I have to say, I have been super impressed with Lunar Beauty. I really like Manny, so he is my cup of tea. And once I tried the Moon Spell palette, if you guys haven't seen my review, I'll try to put it in the comments down below or in a card up here. Love that palette. That palette is so gorgeous, so amazing. You can get so many looks from it, and the packaging on that one is just so stunner. If you're into like witches and stuff like that, that one is definitely one to buy. Yes, and this is just superb quality. It's just blending out like a dream, nice and pigmented, no issues whatsoever. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Nemesis. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Nemesis, which is this dark blue. I've been trying to get out of my comfort zone and like do shades that I normally wouldn't, and I'm just going to pat that on the outer edge of my eye and then blend it up. So hoping that I don't get too much fallout from this. So far, so good. Ooh, she is pretty. And then for all over the front part of the lid, I'm gonna go in with this shade called Iris, which is just a beautiful champagne. And I am getting quite a bit of kick up from that, so just want you guys to know. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna go to Cersei and apply that to the lower lash. It's underneath there. So funny, back in the day, I never used to put eyeshadow underneath my eyes, and now I can't stop doing it. I'm just going to finish up my eye area and everything, and then come back and finish off the video. So on my lips, I applied the Pixie, what is this? The Pixie Matte Liquid Lipstick in All Natural with the Too Faced little glitter. It doesn't say the name. Where is it? Pretty Penny together. And then I have the Jacqueline highlights all over my face because I was doing a kind of try on review for you guys. Overall, I have to say I absolutely love Manny's palettes. I am impressed with this one just as much as the other ones. I feel like this is a lot more subtle subtle though. Even the blue I thought was going to be a little bit more popping, and it's definitely a little bit more subtle on the eye. But overall, an overall beautiful palette that I would definitely wear every day just because there's so many neutrals in here. So this is absolutely gorgeous. So thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little red button down below. If you're not following me on Instagram, you can follow me as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.